How to add music to a photo in InShot and save it as a video. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add music to a photo in InShot and save it as a video. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Launch the InShot application in your mobile device. Then tap on Video, tap on New, and then select an image from your gallery. Then tap on tick mark from the bottom right corner. Now once your photo has been added to your timeline, if you want to adjust the ratio of your photo, tap on your photo from the timeline, tap on canvas, and from here now you can adjust the ratio for your photo. So select your preferred ratio, then tap on tick mark. Now let's add the music. So tap on audio. Now from here tap on music, and here you can choose from the featured music, my music, that is your device audio files, or the effect, or if you want to extract audio from video from your device, you can do that as well. But for now we will just add a featured audio right here. If you want to listen it, tap on the music, and if you want to add, tap on this download and tap on use, and there you can see the music has been added in your timeline. Now you can adjust the volume of this music. Tap on the music, and there is an option as edit, tap on it. Now from here you can adjust the volume and also apply the fade in or fade out option. Once done, tap on tick mark. Now once you're done editing your audio, now you have to trim the music to fit your video length. Here you can use this a vertical line right here, tap on your audio, tap on split, and then delete your remaining part. And now this music has been added to your image. Once done, tap on the tick mark. Here if you want to edit further by adding some filters, text, or stickers, you can also add text, and you can do many more. Once you're done editing your video, simply tap on export from the top right corner. Here choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. Once done, tap on export. Now you have to wait until the video is rendered, and once it is complete, now the image with the audio has been saved to your gallery as a video. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.